Next, we are going to talk about complex numbers. Now, a complex number is any number that can be written as a plus bi, where I is the imaginary unit and a and b are real numbers. So this is the form of our, actually this is the standard form of our complex number. So again, a complex number is a combination of a real number and imaginary number. So we have a plus bi. This is our real part, and then this will be our imaginary part. Alright, so again, this is our real part, and then this will be our imaginary part. And again, a plus bi is actually the standard form when we are dealing with complex numbers. So later in our examples, when we talk about standard form of the complex numbers, we are referring to a plus bi. So to better understand this concept, let's try to have this exercise. Alright, so I have here complex numbers. So the first column contains the complex numbers, and then the second column will be the standard form, and then we are going to identify the real part and the imaginary part of our complex numbers. Alright, for a while, lobat yung laptop. And then, so let's start with the first example, 7i minus 2. Again, when we talk about standard form, we are referring to a plus bi. So we are just going to rewrite everything or rearrange the complex numbers, and then we will have negative 2 plus 7i. Our real part will be negative 2, and then the imaginary part will be 7. Right? If you want to solve along, you can actually pause this video. Second example, we have 4 minus 3i. Now, again, standard form is a plus bi. So the standard form of 4 minus 3i is just 4 plus negative 3i. So from here, the real part will be 4. The imaginary part will be a negative 3. Next example, 9i. So again, standard form is a plus bi. So actually, we don't have a real part here. So we will write 0 plus 9i. And then the real part will be, of course, 0. The imaginary part will be 9. And then, last one, we have negative 2. Standard form, we have negative 2 plus 0i. And then the real part will be negative 2. And then the imaginary part will be, of course, 0. So again, that is how to write complex numbers in standard form and identifying the real and imaginary part as well. So again, if you do have questions, kindly let me know